5 altcoins to avoid investing post-Bitcoin halving. This video is all about the names of these altcoins. If you want the detailed analysis, then hit the subscribe immediately, as the playlist of these coins will be uploaded just in couple of days. Alright, let's kick things off with our first coin. DogWiFat, or WIF, is primarily a meme coin. Now, we all love a good meme, but when it comes to investing, meme coins can be highly speculative and volatile. WIF's price has been all over the place, oscillating without a clear trend, and with its relatively low market cap, it's prone to sudden price swings and liquidity issues. So, tread carefully. Next up is Bittenzor, or Tao. Despite its innovative concept of decentralized machine learning, Tao has been in a steady downtrend. Its adoption remains uncertain, which adds to the risk. Investors should keep a close eye on its progress. Moving on to Ethena, or ENA. Unfortunately, there's not much information available about this coin. Without transparency and clear use cases, investing in ENA becomes quite risky. Make sure to do your due diligence before diving in. Now, let's talk about Pepe coin, or Pepe. Its performance has been pretty underwhelming. Like WIF, Pepe is also a meme coin, making it speculative and volatile. It's advisable to explore other options with stronger fundamentals. Finally, we have Toncoin, or Ton. Ton faced significant regulatory challenges, leading to its uncertain status. Telegram, the platform behind Ton, abandoned the project, which only adds to its risk profile. So, be cautious. Remember, part 2 is coming on the way. So make sure to subscribe to get the detailed analysis of these altcoins and various exciting podcasts with the investors.